Hey guys, welcome back to Sublistar here. So today we will introduce the DTF printing technique, also known as direct-to-film printing. So now let's operate and introduce our best-selling machine 16203. So first, we load the transfer film. The ink has been already injected. Turn on the print power supply. Here you can see total 5 cartridges, C, M, Y, K, and white. And this is the operation panel. Print, clean the print head. Maintenance are set here. Use a Photoshop or other software to design your pattern. Then rip your jobs. Open the ManTop software. Print your file. Start to print. Okay, as you can see, we get a finished transfer film. Taking the transfer, position it here. High pressure to 15 seconds. Temperature about 118 degrees. Cold peel. Wait for just 1 minute. Peel it off. Nice! Get a finished product. Let's do more transfer here. Just transfer to a white t-shirt, and now take a look at the effect of transferring on a black t-shirt. Once again, 15 seconds. Peel it off. These are finished products. We finally take a look at it elasticity and softness. The DTF printer is very easy to operate, and it's very suitable for beginners. Low pre-treatment, it can save time and labor cost. And it can work on many fabrics. If you want to order the machine and the consumers, just comment below, or you can send us your email. Please give us your number and subscribe to our channel. See you next week.